What is up everyone, welcome back to our channel. For today's video, let's talk about how to fix Starfield Into the Unknown bug. This issue can really help your journey through the stars, but don't worry, there are solutions for that. The first solution is by doing fast travel to the stars. An often employed and efficient remedy involves utilizing the fast travel feature. Simply leave and travel to another star system, then wait in the game for the quest marker to reappear, which often refreshes the quest that allows you to continue on your journey. Next solution is console commands. For the PC players, press the tilde key to open the command prompt and type this. Then hit enter. This command can force the quest to move forward, which can bypass the bug. Another solution is to seek external help. Look for the online forums which discusses this bug, where they will share their experiences, which you can use it to fix this error. And for the last solution is to look for the patch updates. Stay tuned for the developers' patch updates that addresses bugs and improve the game quality. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.